Okay, you ready for probably the most brutal problem you can see in Algebra 1? Here we go. Okay, we have this fraction plus that fraction equals that fraction. What I need to do is I need to factor the denominators as much as I can. So I'm going to leave you the way you are, 5x minus 20 over. Factor this out. When you factor this out, two numbers that add up to -9 but multiply out to 18 are going to be x minus 6 and x minus 3. Plus 1 over x minus 6 equals x to the fourth, not x to the fourth, x minus 4 over this guy and this guy are exactly the same, so x minus 6, x minus 3. Now on the left side I am adding fractions. The denominators are not the same, but in order to make them the same, all I have to do is multiply this guy by x minus 3 over x minus 3, and now all of my denominators will be the same. So you stay 5x minus 20 over x minus 6, x minus 3. You are now 1 times x, so plus x, and 1 times -3, minus 3, over x minus 6, x minus 3, equals x minus 4 over x minus 6, x minus 3. Now that you have the same exact denominator, we are allowed to add these up. So 5x minus 20 plus x minus 3 all over x minus 6, x minus 3. That's going to equal x minus 4 over x minus 6, x minus 3. What I can do is I can get rid of these denominators. Okay, these denominators aren't necessary anymore because if I have something over a denominator equals something over the denominators are not necessary. These are the same exact denominators. I don't need them. So I have 5x minus 20 plus x minus 3 equals x minus 4. Combine these like terms. That gets us 6x, combine these like terms, minus 23 equals x minus 4. Subtract x, 5x minus 23 equals -4. Let's rewrite it up here, which is probably what I should have done in the first place. So I have 5x minus 23 equals -4. Add 23, that gets us 5x equals, what is that, 19? Ugh. Divide both sides by 5. And x equals 19 over 5. Very awful, very gross, very painful, but we're done.